Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, today we have something very special planned because we're going to be making the impossible. Yes, we're going to be making the impossible burger. Now, what makes it impossible, you ask? Well, you've heard the expression, if it walks like a duck and talks like a duck, it's got to be a duck, right? Well, in the case of the impossible burger, that phrase would be what the scientists would call straight bullshit. Because even though this looks like meat, tastes like meat, smells like meat, and even bleeds like meat, it's actually 100% plant-based. Now this is the Impossible Burger. Scientists have gone through painstaking methods to genetically take all the things that makes meat good. Its flavor, what makes it brown, what makes it bleed, everything. And they've actually introduced that into plants to make this burger right here. And if you'll notice, there's these little flecks of what look like fat. That's actually not beef fat. That is actually coconut oil. I mean, they thought of everything. So today, we're actually going to sit down and we're going to make this bad boy. Now, I've tasted the Impossible Burger, but I've never actually made one. So this is going to be a bit of an adventure. I can't wait to cook this thing. So let's go do it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Impossible Burger. Now, you might know the Impossible Burger from Wahlburgers. It's becoming kind of trendy right now. Burger King just came out with their own Impossible Whopper. It's becoming more and more of a thing, and I'm looking forward to seeing what kind of new genetic stuff they come up with. It's kind of weird, but also kind of, it's future-y. It's neat. It's very sci-fi. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, and you might be asking yourself, well, what does this thing taste like? You just made it. Well, I'll tell you. Just like a burger. Pretty crazy. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by, and as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.